Hi YouTube, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you before I change my fuel filter out. After every time I change the fuel filter, I hold down the button to reset it to let you know, my yearly gas mileage is. So it's roughly about almost 10,000 miles on it and almost 500 gallons of fuel used. And it comes down to about 20 point something miles per gallon, which is pretty good for a crew cab, full size, the manual transmission. So yeah, if people are curious about the gas mileage, that's it. Almost 20. I think it's like, I don't think it's quite 20.5, but it's definitely over 20, slightly over 20 for average for the year. I mean, obviously sometimes I'm gonna get better and sometimes I'm gonna get worse. But yeah, that's a 1 year review of the fuel economy. Appreciate it.